Feature board application lets users propose new features for your software or look at features that other users have proposed, and if they're interested in them, if they like them, they can vote them to show their support. If somebody has multiple applications that they're developing, they can have multiple boards so that users can separately manage the features that they are working on. So I'm first going to show you how you would create a new board. You click this new board button, you come in, you could set a title, you could set the way the URL appears, and you have a decision as to whether it's public or private, whether it's only available inside your team or if the whole world can come in and look at the board. I'm not actually going to create one right now, so I'm going to cancel out of this. Instead, I'm going to go into a feature board that already has some features so that we see what one looks like. And there's multiple views for the features, but the first is just a list of all the features that have been proposed for the application in this particular board. As you can see, it shows the title, it shows the description, it shows the date that it was added. Over here it shows a type of feature, or it could also be a bug, which is indicated by red. This number is the number of votes that it's received, and there's the ability, if we wanted to delete, we can delete the feature. And of course, somebody can add a new feature. Come in here, give it a title. We will say this one is a bug. We'll just give it a generic description. We will create this. Now we have a new feature up at the top of the list. Powerful part of this software is that we have multiple views, and this roadmap view is where you can show the users of your software where the features lie in your plans for the software. So we'll go here, and you'll see that we have unplanned, and that's where newly created features show up. There's no plans for these yet, and this is where the one that we just created shows, right here at the top of the unplanned list. Over here we have planned, in progress, and completed. There's a drag and drop interface so that we can move this unplanned feature over here into the planned column. Now it shows up as planned. If somebody comes in, they see this planned feature, they want to vote for it, they can click the vote button. Now it has a vote. We've got a facility in place so that if somebody is trying to abuse the system and vote too much and put too much load on the system, it tries to prevent that and makes them wait a little while before they can change their vote again. This can move along in the pipeline. It can go from planned to in progress, go all the way to completed. Somehow I missed. Okay, now this is showing up as completed, and users can see exactly what the status of their feature is along the way. As you can imagine, there would be notifications that users could optionally subscribe to see the progress of something that they are interested in or something that they created along the way as it goes through this pipeline. And we'll return back to board view, and that completes this demonstration.